Hello, Greece. Paros Island in the Aegean, the Acropolis from the 5th century BC. Greece is officially called the Hellenic Republic. It is situated in southeastern Europe on the southernmost tip of the Balkan Peninsula. It borders Albania to the northwest, the Republic of Macedonia and Bulgaria in the north. It borders Turkey to the northeast. The Aegean Sea borders the mainland of Greece to the east. The Ionian Sea lies to the west of the mainland. The Cretan Sea and the Mediterranean Sea lie to the south. There are 9 geographic regions in Greece. There are between 1,200 and 6,000 islands around Greece. 227 of these islands are inhabited. The population is around 11 million. The capital of Greece is Athens. The second city is Thessaloniki. Greece is the birthplace of democracy, Western philosophy, the Olympic Games, Western literature, scientific principles, mathematical principles. Geography. Greece is very mountainous and hilly. The highest mountain is Mount Olympus at almost 3,000 meters. Mount Olympus is located in Cyprus, in the Troodos Mountains. Western Greece contains some lakes and wetlands. The Pindus mountain range lies in western Greece. The Pindus range is a continuation of the Dinaric Alps. The Vikos Gorge in the Vikos Aus National Park is the deepest gorge in the world. The Meteora rock pillars with medieval Greek Orthodox monasteries here. And this is the Dadia mixed forest. The mountainous peninsula mainland juts out into the sea. This peninsula ends at the Peloponnese Peninsula in southern Greece. This geographic region is separated from the mainland by the canal of the Isthmus of Corinth. The Aegean Islands are the peaks of underwater mountains which were once part of the mainland. The Rhodope range is in East Macedonia and Thrace in northeastern Greece. The area here is covered with vast, thick ancient forests. The most famous forest is the Dadia forest in the northeast of Greece. Most of the plains are situated in Thessaly, Central Macedonia and Thrace. The pinniped seals and the loggerhead sea turtles in the seas around the mainland. The endangered brown bear, the Eurasian lynx, roe deer and wild goat live in the forests. The islands. Crete is the largest and most populated island. Euboea is the second. It is separated from the mainland of Greece by the Euripus Strait. The islands are grouped together in their geographic locations. There are 6 groups of islands. The Ionian Islands and the North Aegean Islands are just 2. The climate. The climate in the mountainous central part of the Peloponnese and in northwestern Greece features an alpine climate with heavy snowfalls. In central and East Macedonia, Thrace, and in inland northern Greece, the winters are cold and damp, and the summers are hot and dry, with frequent thunderstorms. Ecology. Greece can be divided into 6 ecoregions. The forests are deciduous, mixed, sclerophyllous, and Mediterranean. Agriculture. Sun drying of xanthic currant, folk dances in Crete. Greece grows cotton, pistachios, rice, olives, figs, almonds, tomatoes, watermelon, and tobacco. Cuisine. A traditional Greek salad with feta cheese. Retsina wine, dolmades with vine leaves and rice. Okay, and here are the questions. Bye-bye.